Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and today we're gonna make something called Zapekanka, which is a Ukrainian cheesecake. And it's traditionally made with either farmer's cheese or cottage cheese. Since we're making it vegan, I'm gonna use a combination of white rice and cashews. So it's gonna be similar, but not exactly the same, obviously, as the traditional one, but it's still delicious either way. So let's get started.
We're going to start off by making our white rice. So we're going to take 1 cup of uncooked white rice and 1 cup of water, place it in the saucepan, bring it to a boil, and then lower the heat to very low heat and cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. Then we're going to take a half a cup of cashews, raw cashews that have been soaked overnight, place them in a food processor along with a half a cup of water, 1.5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons of lactic acid, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And just blend that all together until it's all nice and smooth. And then we can add in our cooked white rice. And just process that enough to get it blended, but don't overmix it. So that's going to be our cheese component. Next, we're going to take 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk placed in a bowl with a half a cup of water. Mix that together and just let that sit for a minute to thicken. And then add in the cheese mixture along with a half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of vegan sour cream. You could also use yogurt or coconut cream, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cup of brown rice flour, and just mix that all together until it's all well combined. And then we're going to add in a half a cup of raisins and the zest of 1 lemon. And just mix that all together until that's all well combined. And then we're going to turn that into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish, which has been sprayed with oil and floured with some brown rice flour. Just shake the pan until it's all nice and even. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then bake it at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Once that's completely cooled, we'll top it with some powdered sugar and it's ready to serve.
Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.